Hey everyone, I'm Andy from Sanco Equipment. We're here checking out the new L95 we have here. I just wanted to show you guys a couple things that our shop installed here once we got it to the dealership. Come around back here and I'll show you. We installed the rear camera on this one. It comes camera ready, so we just mount the camera in the back. We also added a rotating beacon. And I'll show you inside here. We installed a radio. I'm also going to show you guys how easy it is to take this rotating beacon off. If you have a low clearance building you need to get into, easy removal. Loosen the wing nut, pull the strobe light right off, put the protective cover back on, put this in the cab. We'll step inside here quick and I'll just show you a couple things here. So the camera screen ends up using the standard display that comes in it. As soon as you put the machine into reverse, the camera displays on the screen, or you can manually push the camera button and it's always on. As far as the strobe light, there's a switch in the cab that's already there, so you just need to program the machine to tell it has a strobe light and your strobe light will work. And this here is the radio. Our speakers are already in the machine, so you just need to install this radio in here and you're good to go. Thanks for checking out our video, and if you have any other questions on the new L95, please reach out to Sanco Equipment. Thank you.